Ventura Boulevard in Sherman Oaks, California is a bustling hub of businesses. From restaurants and cafes to boutiques and salons, there is something for everyone along this vibrant street. The diverse range of eateries caters to various tastes, offering cuisines from around the world. Whether you're in the mood for sushi, pizza, or a juicy burger, Ventura Boulevard has you covered. The retail shops showcase a mix of local boutiques and well-known brands, providing a wide selection of clothing, accessories, and home decor. Additionally, the numerous salons and spas offer a range of beauty and wellness services, ensuring residents and visitors can pamper themselves. With its lively atmosphere and extensive array of businesses, Ventura Boulevard in Sherman Oaks is a thriving destination for locals and tourists alike. Sherman Oaks is a popular destination for many people who enjoy sunshine, outings, and shopping. It offers a variety of amenities such as hair salons, bars, toy shops, fast food, and gourmet restaurants. There are other services available such as pharmacies, banks, doctors' offices, business offices, and gyms. The area also boasts convenient parking and a vibrant downtown area that is within walking distance. Sherman Oaks is an artsy destination that caters to a wide range of interests and needs for all who visit.